Hello and welcome to this video on GenAI Guru. So today we'll continue working with Amazon Q to create our first Streamlit application. And for that, you can see the previous video where we initiated the connection with Amazon Q. Now we will try to scaffold the Streamlit application and we have requested it to Amazon Q. It's generating the answer. So don't forget to perform the pip install Streamlit to be able to have Streamlit on your environment. Then create your first new file called whatever you want. It can be Hello World Streamlit. For me, I have chosen another name, which is Hello GenAI Streamlit. So go ahead and create on this file. We are using the JetBrains PyCharm Community Edition. We have also our code ready to be used. Go ahead and click on Insert that cursor. As you can see, the application is pretty simple. But we'll be able to improve it using Amazon Q by requesting much more features that could be added. So what I have done here is that I have inserted a cursor, my code. The code is pretty simple. It will create an input for you using STK text input. What is your name? And you need to type your name, and then when you click on Submit, your name will appear in the application. So I'm using the feature of PyCharm to install the dependencies. So instead of using pip install Streamlit, I have used the native feature of JetBrains PyCharm Community Edition. So as you can see, installation is in progress and indexing as well. Once an indexing is done, the next step is for sure to run the Streamlit application. And for that, you need to type on Streamlit run and the name of the file. You have chosen my name. My file name is Hello GenAI Streamlit. So I wrote down Hello GenAI Streamlit, and just by hitting the button, Enter, it creates for me the application. The test is pretty simple, and parameters. I will go ahead and click on Type your name here, replaced it with GenAI Guru, and go ahead and hit Submit. Hello, GenAI Guru. This is the application that has been generated for me. You can create much more important application in the next coming video. We'll see together how to do that. You can see also my other videos where I use Streamlit to run locally Olama. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.